Hello, welcome back to these videos where we learn English every day. Of course, on these videos, on Monday, we usually have some kind of tips. I've done study tips before, but recently I'm doing health tips. So hopefully you're watching along. This is the 7th health tip. So far the first 6 are ways to help you get 30 years younger. So this is, now today is on a different research I'm going to talk about, but it's connecting. This one is how to make you feel 12 years younger. Yes. You'll live 12 years longer. Sorry. Okay, so today we're going to talk about water, drinking water, why water is important. But before I start, don't forget to give us a like below, smash that like button, and subscribe and share these videos with your friends and family. And don't forget to comment below any questions or comments or concerns or advice that you might have. Hey, how about this? Why don't you make a video on this topic? Okay, so to get started, of course, we talked before in the last 6 videos about if you do those 6 things consistently every day, your body will be, even though you're around 60, your body will be as young as a 30-year-old. You can minus 30 years off of your physical age if you do those 6 things that we talked about before, which are included in this list. So this list is similar research. Eat breakfast every day. Don't eat snacks between meals. Weren't too heavy or too thin, so ideal weight. We talked about that in that video. Exercise regularly. What does that mean? What should you do? So anything I mentioned: aerobic, walking, running, biking, and of course sleeping between 7 and 8 hours a day, not more, not less, and not smoking. Of course, we talked about why not smoking is important. And in today, this is the 7th tip. So this list actually has 7. So this is based on many scientists are trying to find the habits that live longer. In 1970, some scientists talked to 7,000 people in America and got information about their habits. Then they checked to see how long they lived. So if they did these 7 things, number 7 is, of course, drinking plenty of water every day. If they did these 7 habits, made a big difference. If they did them, they lived 12 years longer than people that did only 1 to 3 things. So if you did only 1 to 3 things on this list versus all 7, you can live 12 years longer, according to the research. And again, it mentions here, don't forget, any new habit, it just takes 21 days to start and to finish. Okay, so before I talk about what does it mean by drink plenty of water every day, what does plenty mean? There's been debate about that. I talked about in the sleeping episode how we're unsure exactly for you how much sleep you should get. Water is like that too. We know how much is too much, but it's been argued for years what is the best amount of water. And it's debated for years. So before I get to that, I just want to say train. This is a train. Sorry, I'm related, but train. So, okay, of course, drink plenty of water. How much water should you drink? Men should drink before I start, cups are 236.59 milliliters is in 1 cup. So it's a lot of, when I first moved to Japan, I got confused because I thought 1 cup equals 200 milli. It's not. It's actually 1 cup, American cup, equals 236.6 or 0.59 millis. So men are recommended to drink 15.5 cups a day. Women are recommended to drink 11.5 cups a day. That seems like a lot. And I was thinking about this when I saw it because I researched other research. For example, in the UK, the NHS in the UK recommended 6 to 8 cups. But in America, it's recommending 12 to 16 cups. By the way, that recommendation in America comes from the United States National Academies of Science, Engineering, and Medicine. Determined that the adequate fluid amount is, of course, 15.5 cups for men. That's 3.7 liters. And for women, 11.5 cups a day. That's 2.7 liters a day. That article, by the way, is on the Mayo Clinic's website. You can also research if you research the National Academies of Science, Engineering, and Medicine. So when I was thinking about this, why does the UK say 6 to 8 cups, but America says 12 to 16 cups? Well, it's exactly half. So I've heard about this for years where they say you should drink 8 cups a day. But some people say, no, 8 cups you don't need to drink because you're getting it in your food. So there's a lot of debate. How much water are you getting from your food? How much are you getting? So all that water counts. So I think that's why America is saying the total volume of water, where the British version is saying without the food. So I would think that you can half it, which I did the math for you. So that means men should drink 1.8 liters of water a day. Now, water means not something with pop in it or something with the sugar in it. Not this one, not tea, things like that. Not sweet tea. You could do unsweet tea or water. Juice is actually not recommended as much for this either, because juices are sweet. Juice, orange juice, apple juice. So, of course, men should drink 1.8 liters of water a day. Women should drink 1.4 liters of water a day, more than you probably thought. Okay, thanks again for watching these videos. And don't forget to watch these other health videos up here and some other advice video, other popular videos on our channel here. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good day.